Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cancel a Paysend transaction quickly and easily. But before we get started, if you want to save on transfer fees, you can use the invite code from the description below and your first transfer with Paysend will be completely free. So with that out of the way, let's dive in. First, you want to open your Paysend app and go to the transfer section. You'll find it at the bottom left corner of the main screen. Here, you'll see a list of all your transfers. As you can see, I don't have any pending transaction at the moment, but if you have any pending transaction, just tap on it and to open the details. Then you will look for the cancel transfer option, tap it, and then confirm by selecting cancel and refund. Basically, that's how you do it. But keep in mind, you can only cancel your transfer within 30 minutes of sending it. After you cancel, your refund will usually be processed within 3 business days as long as the money hasn't already been picked up or deposited into the recipient's account. And that's it. That's how you cancel a Paysend transaction in just a few steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!